Hi, this is Jack Razumich with Razumich & Delamater. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about criminal records. Before I do that, I'd like to remind you that if you have any questions about this video or any other topics of the law that we might not have covered, click the link at the bottom and that'll take you to a page where you can schedule a free case evaluation. Case evaluations are free, talking to us is free, and we're happy to do it. So let's talk about criminal records. When a person is arrested, or worse, when they're convicted, that creates a record that gets sent off to the Indiana State Police that shows that this incident actually happened. That record then becomes public knowledge and it's searchable. You'll hear a lot about background checks. That's what they're looking for. They're looking at your criminal record. Now, there's a misconception that criminal records drop off eventually. That's not true. A criminal record in the state of Indiana is forever. And that can be a problem for you because having a criminal record can cause you a lot of problems. As we discussed in an earlier video, it can cause a loss of employment from certain types of jobs. It can cause you to lose certain civil rights like your right to vote or your right to own or possess a firearm. In some situations, if it's a domestic, it can even cause you to lose custody of your children. So there's an awful lot to be worried about when it comes to your criminal record. Now, while it's true that a criminal record never goes away, I am happy to report that Indiana does allow for that record to be concealed after a certain period of time. That's a process known as expungement. There are two types of expungements in the state of Indiana. There's an expungement for your arrest records, and there's also an expungement for your conviction records. The conviction records are even further divided into two types. There's a mandatory conviction expungement, which basically means the court has no choice but to grant you that expungement. And there's what's known as a discretionary expungement. That means the court will have a hearing, and at that hearing the court will make the determination as to whether or not it's appropriate to grant your request for an expungement. The benefit of that is while that offense is always still there, don't think that it goes away just because you have an expungement. What the benefit of it is, though, is it's not searchable at that point in time, and all those private individuals who may have been denying you employment or housing or other things aren't going to be able to see that conviction record, and they won't be able to use it against you. Given the number of issues that you can come up with once you have a criminal record, we do strongly encourage that you contact us for the purposes of discussing whether or not your case qualifies. Thank you for watching this video. Again, if you have any questions about this or any other area of the law, don't forget to click the link below and schedule your free case evaluation. We look forward to speaking with you.